Hi guys, or in Spanish, hola, ¿cómo estás? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to help restore your hair to its natural curl pattern or restore your hair to its natural state. Now, I just had a sew-in for 2 months. They straightened my hair with a hot comb and I just took my braids out. So that's what you're going to see in the next slide. The process did work for me and I did restore my hair back to its natural state, which is this. I have 4C hair and this is my hair. So if that's something that you're interested in, please stay tuned because the video is about to start now. For this video, all you will need is 2 eggs. You will need some mayonnaise, a bowl and a spoon to mix. So I'm going to crack the eggs and put it in the bowl. Of course, I'm not going to be able to hold it up and show you guys at the same time, but I can, you know. See my side eye? Alright. It made it to the bowl, thank God. Alright. So, this is what we got. We use all of it. And now this part only depends on how much hair you have. If you don't have that much hair, you know, you don't really have to use that much. But for my hair is thick. I am going to use 3 tablespoons. 1, 2. Hope you like the smell of mayonnaise. 3. So this is what I got. So let's mix it up together. So now this is what the mixture looks like. So the next step is to rinse or wash your hair with your favorite shampoo. It does not matter what shampoo you use. It's up to you. It does not matter. So I'm going to go wash my hair and I will be right back. So now that we're finished washing our hair, we're going to take the product and coat our hair first and then separate it and then kind of comb it through. That's it. While I'm doing that, we can kind of talk. That'll be fun. I smell like a sandwich. Anyways. Whenever doing these videos, I try my best to do only household items, things that you can find in your house. So I do not want you to have to go out and purchase anything for this video. So I'm automatically assume that everybody has eggs and everybody has mayonnaise. So I'm pretty sure everybody has a regular bag. So this is what I'm gonna put over my head. Now, if you have a shower cap, then use a shower cap. I don't have a shower cap, so this is what it is. So, it all works the same. It all works the same. All you have to do is just make a little cut in the bag and tie it. Okay, so maybe I don't know the concept of tying. Let me tie it. Okay. There we go. And baya. That is it. I'm pushing all the hair out. There. Alright. So all my hair is covered. All of it. So now we just leave it on for, where's the start button? 30 minutes. That's it. Putting mayonnaise and eggs together is really good for damaged hair. Everybody knows mayonnaise is good for moisturizing, restoring curls, and helping improve shine for your hair. But why use egg? Egg actually gets rid of dandruff, especially if you have excessive dandruff. It's very good for that. And then another thing it does, it actually helps control frizzy hair. So if you have frizzy hair, this treatment is very good for you. And if you did not know, this is a protein treatment. So this household mask for your hair is really amazing, and you should see results at the end of the video, or you should see results after you finish doing it, because some people might leave it on for a night. I've done it. Some people might leave it on for an hour. I've done it. But I'm only doing 30 minutes. So I'm going to start my homework and I'll be back. So we are done with the conditioning part. So now it's time for us to just go wash our hair. Can I take the back off? Oh my gosh. Okay. So now I'm gonna go wash my hair and I'll be right back. So I'm finished washing my hair and I am patting my hair dry right now. So this is how my hair looks when I wash it and properly condition it. Now, the whole point of this video was to restore your hair to its natural curl, and it did for me. Hopefully it did for you, because this is a really good method that a lot of people use. So the reason why I do this process is because if you get sew-ins, braids, if you do leave-outs, or even if you straighten your hair can sometimes have a lot of heat damage, or sometimes it's just damaged and all. Now, whenever you do this process, you are strengthening your hair and you're restoring it back to its natural curl. And this is my natural state. Whenever what you seen in the beginning, how big my hair was, it's because someone actually put a blow dry to it and they were combing my hair out. So I wanted my hair to get back to the natural afro state that it's always in, and it's always this small. Yes, it has a lot of shrinkage, but I love my hair. So hopefully the video worked for you like how it works for me. Please comment, like, and subscribe. If you do not follow me on Instagram, my name is Beat by Bria, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.